Hey everybody, it's Starfreeze here. Today I'm going to be opening up a Sword and Shield Elite Trainer box. And if you find that interesting, please like and subscribe, and I'll get this video started. Okay. Most of you probably should already know what comes in here. I mean, you got energy cards, sleeves, a code card, the dice, the poisons, and 8 booster packs. Code card, Lightning Energy, Quick Ball, Mantine, Dottler, Pikachu, Sinistea, Wooloo, Shelder, Krogunk, Krabby Reverse, Thievul, code card, Fighting Energy, Haunter, Vitality Band, Raboot, Gossifleur, Silicobra, Yamper, Krabby, Cufant, Pikachu Reverse, and a Raichu non-holographic. Okay. Some packs don't like to open up. Code card, Fire Energy, Ferrothorn, Heatmore, Metal Saucer, Goldeen, Diglett, Skorupi, Hoothoot, Scorbunny, Reverse Holographic Hitmonchan, and a Boltund Holographic. Probably the most common card, holo card, in this set. Psychic Energy, sorry. Salazzle, Bisharp, Pokemon Catcher, Rhyhorn, Roselia, Ferroseed, Krabby, Zigzag Zagoon, Yamper Reverse, and a Zacian V. Not bad. Those cards have been going up in value. Code card. I got a Metal Energy, Doug Trio, Pokemon Center Lady, Energy Retrieval, Rookity, Sizzlepede, Snom, Mawile, Gossifleur, Baltoy Reverse, and a Noctowl non-holographic. Got 3 more packs, guys. Code card. Psychic Energy, Seaking, Ordinary Rod, Beatty, Clobbopus, Ghastly, Rookity, Sizzlepede, Snom, Pawninard, and a Poltergeist non-holo. Code card. Metal Energy, Rhydon, Edelgos, Air Balloon, Choodle, Blipbug, Rhyhorn, Clobbopus, Goldeen, Reverse Holo Team Yell Grunt, and a Lapras V. And for the final pack, I just want to say thank you to everyone who tuned in today. Code card. Hopefully we can get something out of this last pack here. Water Energy, Pidgey, Potion, Hitmonchan, we have a Galarian Linoon, Blipbug, Baltoy, Wooloo, Joltik, Salandit, Gossiflor, and a holographic Sandaconda. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Later.